a great pleasure to be here in Korea and to have this opportunity to introduce myself, my business, and my journey with IDES project. My name is Albertina and I'm from Indonesia, representing the Hokkies from East Nusa Tenggara. I'm affiliated with ASCO, Association of Women's Small Enterprise Assistants. The Hokkies is a natural food business with social mission. We make snacks and drinks using local Indonesian ingredients like moringa, cacao, and palm sugar. Why did I join? Why did I join the IDES project and what I expected? I saw an opportunity to participate in the IDES Expo. And today, that opportunity has become reality. I stand here before you. I knew that I needed to strengthen my digital confidence and business skills. I wanted to reach more consumers, communicate better through digital platforms, and increase my business revenue in more innovative and manageable ways. I wanted to improve my business management, include financial management, reach larger markets, and present my products in more attractive way. For me, IDES was not a training program. It was a turning point in my business. My journey began with 3 days of digital skills and e-commerce training. Through hands-on workshop, I learned about business management, branding, and practical digital tools such as Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT. But the learning did not stop after the training. Through monthly mentoring and networking, I was able to discuss real business challenges and learn from other entrepreneurs. I also became connected with women entrepreneurs, Japuk Inavoka, a woman networking in Nusa Tenggara Timur or East Nusa Tenggara. We learn together and support each other. IDES mentoring also help us secure our essential business licenses and halal certification, opening doors to priority support in future MSMEs programs. IDES gave me something very valuable. I have new perspective, opportunities, and changed my perspective as a woman entrepreneur. My knowledge, confidence, and connection grow continuously. You can see by yourself. Today, I'm more confident in presenting my journey with IDES project and talking about my business to you all. My network has expanded from my local community in East Nusa Tenggara to Indonesia, to ASEAN, and now South Korea. I believe in continuous role. As a woman entrepreneur, my vision is to continue developing innovative local food products while embracing digital innovation and encourage more women, especially in rural communities, to believe in themselves, keep learning, and build business that create positive change. Looking ahead, I have clear goals. Within the next year, I will continue developing innovative local food products. Within 1 to 3 years, I plan to strengthen our production capacity, building on the improvement to my home production facility. And beyond 3 years, I want to build a women-centered supply chain and launch a Sheriff community workshop to strengthen women community. I believe this journey can become a bridge between us. Thank you very much for your attention. Gamsahamnida.
Thank